Okay, this is a video lesson on how to make Blümchenkaffee, which is a delicious coffee invented in the former East Germany prior to the wall coming down. There's some speculation about who first started it, but the former mayor of Berlin said once that he described Berlin as poor but sexy, and said that most people in Berlin don't have much to do but drink coffee and have sex. So they invented Blümchenkaffee, which is an extremely rich, aromatic, gourmet coffee with flowers in it. And to make it, you put your coffee maker on your scale like this and add in, you want about 14 grams of coffee for each 250 milliliter cup. And then you put the flowers. Oh, what a beautiful smell, roses. You put the flowers, and you can also use rose hips into the cup, and you add this coffee maker. There's a lot of American tourists that visit Berlin have said that Blümchenkaffee is a coffee that they like better than Italian or French coffee. Now we're just going to let that settle for a while. And let's see. Yes, it's going to take a few minutes, and then we will have Blümchenkaffee, which is also known as flower coffee.